ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Or log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. How it is? Just only thing is trigonometric using secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. How to write this one? Just a small explanation. That is 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. This is 1 plus sin x by cos x. 1 plus sin x by cos x. That is 1 plus, this is sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x by cos x can be written as sin pi by 2 minus x. That is 1 plus cos x formula. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. And the sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. By using this 1 plus the cos x formula, so this is 2 cos square x by 2. That is pi by 4 minus x by 2 by sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So these two gets cancelled, cos, one cos cancel, that is equal to cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So again cot A is equal to, you write tan of pi by 2 minus A by using this, that is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this is a tan of pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. Therefore, that is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Therefore, this is secant x plus tan x is equal to. Therefore, the integral secant x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c, or this is log of mod, so this is the tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Right down. Next formula, integral cosecant x dx is equal to integral cosecant x into multiplying dividing by cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. That is equal to integral cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Now this derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. Derivative of minus cot x, that is plus cosecant square x. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. So by using this log mod f of x, log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c, or this also log of mod tan x by 2 plus c. Similarly, in the previous sum, you can go through, you get the result. So this is integral cosecant x dx is equal to formula. How to get this one? By using the same, just like the previous one. Integral tan of 2x plus 3 dx is equal to, put 2x plus 3 is equal to t, that is one process, or direct one. This is of the form tan x. Integral of tan x is log mod secant of 2x plus 3 plus tan of 2x plus 3 by its derivative, derivative is 2 plus c. Or you write, or 2x plus 3 is equal to t, substitution method. Next one, integral cot of 4 minus 5x dx is equal to 4 minus 5x is equal to t, that is one method, or you know integral of cot x. Integral of cot x is log mod sin x. So this is log of mod 4 minus 5x by its derivative is what? Minus 5 plus c. So this is log of mod sin x, log mod sin x, or put 4 minus 5x is equal to t, 4 minus 5x equal to t. Third one, integral the problem is secant of, this problem is secant of 2x plus 3 dx. Integral of secant x is integral of secant x log mod secant x plus tan x. So this is not a tan, you can write tan of 2x plus 3 dx is equal to, integral of tan x is log mod secant x. So this is log of mod secant x, secant of 2x plus 3 by derivative 2 plus c, or put 2x plus 3 is equal to t. or 2x plus 3 equal to t. If you want to go through this process, 2 dx is equal to dt. Therefore, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt. Therefore, integral tan of 2x plus 3 dx is equal to, so this is tan t, dx is 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 into integral of tan x is log mod secant t plus c, that is 1 by 2 into log of mod secant of, where t is equal to, where t equal to 2x plus 3 plus c. Next problem, integral cosecant of 3x dx. Integral of cosecant x is formula log mod cosecant x minus cot x, cosecant 3x minus cot 3x by its derivative is 3 plus c. Integral of cosecant x log of mod cosecant x minus cot x, or put 3x is equal to t. This process. Next one, it is very important problem. More number of times this, based on this formula, more number of questions are came in mains examination. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Fx whole power n into f dash x dx. Function its derivative, not only for derivative of fx. Fx whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Put f of x is equal to t. Derivative is f dash x dx is equal to dt. So, given integral t power n into f dash x dx dt is equal to x to the power of n formula, t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where t is equal to f of x, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So, this is very important formula. Majority number of problems solving by using this formula. provided the condition where n is not equal to minus 1. N not equal to minus 1. If n is equal to 1, what happens? This becomes what? Minus 1 plus 1, 0, which is not possible. Based on these examples. Integral tan power 8x into secant square x dx. Secant square x dx. This is the tan x whole power 8 into secant square x dx. This is f of x, this is f dash x. Now applying this formula. F of x, what is f of x? Tan x whole power 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus c. That is tan power 9x by 9 plus c. Or put tan x equal to t. So this is regular method. Substitution method. And one problem, integral sin power 6x by cos power 8x dx. Just you try this problem, I will give 1 minute time. Try. Sin power 6x by cos power 6x into 1 by cos square x dx. Integral, this is tan power 6x into secant square x dx. Again this is same as the problem. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. Now this is integral tan x whole power 6 into secant square x dx. Now this is f of x whole power n into f dash x. That equal to tan power 7x by 7 plus c. Fx whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Or put tan x equal to t. This is a regular process. In the earlier class, last class, we discussed one problem, integral cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole cube. I gave one problem. In the previous class, I discussed this problem. Now, without substitution, how to integrate this one? By using this formula. So this is integral a plus b cot x whole cube into cosecant square x dx. Once again I repeat, differentiation is very, very important. Without the differentiation, it is a little bit difficult. Not little bit, it is difficult. See, for strong and differentiation, the problem's integration is very easy. Now, what is the derivative of this part? Derivative is 0. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x into b. So, derivative of this is minus b cosecant square x. So, I am multiplying and dividing by minus 1 by b. So, this is a plus b cot x whole cube into minus b cosecant square x dx. Minus b cosecant square x dx. Now, this is the f of x. Derivative of a 0. Derivative of b cot x minus b cosecant square x. Minus b cosecant square x. Now, this is f of x whole power n into f dash x form. So, by using this minus 1 by b into f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, this is a plus b cot x whole power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c plus c. So, that is minus 1 by 4b into a plus b cot x. Sorry, this is minus. This becomes minus. So, this is minus 2b, minus 2, that is plus 2b. Into this is 1 by a plus b cot x whole square plus c. For this extension, one formula, integral f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to f of x equal to 2 root f of x, 2 into root f of x plus c. So, here integral, this is also f of x whole power minus 1 by 2 into f dash x dx. F dash x dx. By using this one, same thing, fx is the derivative of f dash x, that equal to f of x whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to, this is f of x whole power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, that is 2 into root f of x plus c. So, f dash x by root f of x is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Integral x by root of x square minus 9 dx. X by x square minus 9. For this derivative is 2x, not root of, only this part 2x. So, 1 by 2 into, so this is a 2x by root of x square minus 9 dx. Now, derivative of x square minus 9 is 2x. This is f dash x. F dash x by root f of x. So, the 1 by 2 into 2 root f of x. 2 root x square minus 9 plus c. Or you can put x square minus 9 is equal to t This is a substitution method. Integral sin power 3 by 2x into cos cube x dx. Cos cube x dx. Sin power 3 by 2x. Cos cube x dx. Integral, this is a sin x whole power 3 by 2 into cos square x into cos x dx. That is integral sin x whole power 3 by 2 into this, right, 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. If you are multiplying this, integral sin x whole power 3 by 2 into 1 into this cos x dx minus integral cos x whole power 3 by 2 plus 2. So, cos x whole power 3 by 2 by taking LCM. So, this is sin x whole power 3 by 2 plus 2, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into cos x dx. Cos x dx. If it is possible, we can go through the direct process. Please try to avoid slowly substitution method, because if you take sin x is equal to t, cos x dx is dt. So, this becomes a t to the power of 3 by 2. Already we used t once. There sin x equal to some u. So, cos x dx is equal to du. Now, this becomes u power 7 by 2 du. So, please try to avoid slowly substitution method and by using this. So, this is sin x derivative cos x. Now, this is f of x whole power n into f dash x. So, fx whole power, that is equal to sin x whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus. There also derivative of sin x is what? Cos x, fx whole power n into f dash x. Sin x whole power 7 by 2 plus 1 by 7 by 2 plus 1 plus 6. That's enough. So, this is sin x power 5 by 2. So, this is 5 by 2, this is 2 by 5 minus. So, this is sin x whole power, this is what? 9 by 2. So, this is 2 by 9 plus c. Next question. Integral secant power 4x dx. Secant power 4x dx. Integral secant square x into secant square x dx. Integral, this you write 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. That is integral this into this secant square x dx plus integral tan square x into, that you write tan square x tan x whole square into secant square x dx. This is the direct formula. Integral of secant square x is tan x plus. So, this is just like f of x whole power n into f dash x. F of x whole power n into f dash x. So f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral sin cube x dx. Sin cube x dx. So this can be done in two ways. Integral by using sin 3x formula. Sin 3x formula 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Therefore 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Therefore sin cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. Now integral sin cube x dx is equal to 3 by 4 integral sin x minus 1 by 4 integral sin 3x dx. Integral of sin x is minus cos x minus 1 by 4 into integral of sin of ax plus b form. So this is minus cos 3x by its derivative 3 plus c. If you want to substitution method, put 3x is equal to t again. So it is a little bit lengthy one. So sin of ax plus b form. So this is a sin x form. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. But derivative of this is what? So by 3. Okay. Of course it is minus of minus becomes plus minus 3 by 4 cos x minus of minus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. This is one method. This is the first method. And the second one, integral sin cube x can be written as sin square x into sin x dx. Integral 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. That is integral of sin x dx minus integral cos x whole square into sin x dx. Integral of sin x, you know it, minus cos x. Again, see this part. Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. So again, f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c form. So derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So I can put this is plus integral cos x whole square into minus sin x dx. Minus sin x dx. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now this is f x whole power n into f dash x. that is equal to minus cos x plus this is cos x whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So, this is also one answer. This is minus cos x plus cos cube x by 3 plus c. Now, you have a problem because this is not a direct introduction class, only on video class. Sir, this one is correct or this one is correct? Both are correct. That depends on the given options in mains exam. For competitive examinations, they give 4 options. Depends on the option you choose. In terms of powers of angles, this is correct. In terms of multiple angles, this is correct. Suppose it is given more than one, both options are there, both are correct. This is correct and also this is also correct one. For board examinations, so if I write this one or that one, both are correct. In case of objective point of view, suppose you do this process, answer is given this one, but it's not there in the given options. You don't say that the question is wrong. So your option is given like this one, this is correct. So both are correct. So like this, now we can do this sum, cos cube x in both methods. You do this one. One method, integral cos x into cos 2x dx. Cos x into cos 2x dx. Cos 2 or x cos x or cos 2x. For this we are multiplying dividing by 2. 2 cos 2x cos x dx. By using this formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. Now cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. That is right. This is 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b, 2x plus x, plus cos of a minus b, that is 2x minus x dx. 1 by 2 integral cos 3x plus cos x dx. So 1 by 2 integral of cos 3x. Integral of cos x is sin x. So this is sin 3x by 3. Plus integral of cos x is sin x plus c. So this is a cos of ax plus b form. Cos of ax plus b, that is sin of ax plus b by its derivative is this. Or you take 3x is equal to t. 3x equal to t. Just please try to avoid substitution method. So sometimes it is unavoidable in some cases, but if it is a possibility, please try to avoid. Integral sin x into sin some 5x 4x dx. For this also, multiplying and dividing by 2. This is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b gets cancelled. So you get that 2 sin a sin b. This is first year transformations. 1 by 2 integral. So this is cos of a minus b x minus 4x minus cos of x plus 4x dx. That is 1 by 2 integral. So cos of minus 3x, cos of minus 3x minus cos 5x dx. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So 1 by 2 integral cos 3x minus cos 5x dx. That is 1 by 2 of integral of cos x is sin x. So this is sin 3x by 3 minus sin 5x by 5 plus c.